Good day everyone! Welcome to my short video lesson about statistics and probability for grade 11. Before that, shoutout ko muna lahat ng mga estudyante dyan sa Ulivars College Tagaytay. Dahil nag-request kayo, ayan, ginawan ko ulit kayo ng video dun sa lesson na tinapik sa inyo ng mga teachers natin, no? So, para maka-review din tayo, ayan, so ginawan ko kayo ng video. Okay, so let's start muna tayo dun sa mean, variance, and standard deviation of discrete probability distribution. Okay, so let's say we have the discrete probability distribution of 0, 1, 2, 3, sila po ang mga outcome, and we have the probability of each outcome, 1/4 po ang probability ng bawat outcome. Now, finding the mean, the formula is, okay, finding the mean, the formula is the summation of x times p of x. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin yung x sa p of x and then kukunin natin yung sum. Ibig sabihin, isa-isa natin silang i-multiply and then kukunin natin yung sum nila. So, pag pinag-multiply na sila, i-add na natin lahat yung product nila. So, let's say we have this probability distribution. Ang mangyayari, we are going to have the mean is equal to 0 times 1/4 plus 1 times 1/4 plus 2 times 1/4 plus 3 times 1/4. Okay? So, after that, you are going to evaluate each. So, 0 times 1/4, that is equal to 0. 1 times 1/4, that is equal to 1/4. Plus 2 times 1/4, that is equal to 2/4. Okay? Plus 3 times 1/4, that is equal to 3/4. Now, after evaluating each, we are going to add the values. So, we have the mean that is equal to 0 plus 1/4 plus 2/4 plus 3/4, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Okay? 6 over 4. Therefore, ang mean po natin, kung i-divide natin siya, okay, that is 6 divided by 4 is, ayan, 1.5. Okay, therefore, the mean is 1.5. Okay, nakuha na natin yung mean, 1.5. Now, we need the mean to find the variance of discrete probability distribution. How about finding its variance? The formula in finding the variance is variance that is equal to the summation of x squared times p of x minus mean square. Okay? So, the formula in finding the variance is the summation of x squared times p of x minus mean squared. Magagawa natin yan through constructing a table. I-reconstruct lang natin yung table na to into a vertical form. So, we have x, p of x. Okay? So, I have the outcome 0, 1, 2, and 3. So, each has a probability of 1/4. Okay? So, in the formula, we need an x squared, the square of x. So, i-add natin yung column na x squared. Okay? Nag-add ako ng column na x squared. Yung bawat x dito ay i-square ko lang. 0 square, that is 0. 1 square, that is 1. 2 square, that is 4. 3 square, that is 9. Okay? After that, I need to multiply x squared by p of x. So, ibig sabihin na makuha na natin yung square ng bawat x, imumultiply na natin yung bawat x squared dun sa p of x. Okay? I-multiply natin siya. So, I'm going to add a column of x squared times p of x. Okay? 0 times 1/4, 0. 1 times 1/4, 1/4. 4 times 1/4, that is 4/4. And 9 times 1/4, that is 9/4. Okay? After that, nakuha na natin yung x squared times p of x. We need the sum. The sum of x squared times p of x. So, ibig sabihin, pag nakuha na natin yung product ng bawat isa, i-add na natin to lahat. So, I can get 0 plus 1, that is 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay? Divided by 4. And if I divide it by 4, the answer is, kakalkul lang natin, so that is 14 divided by 4, that is equal to 3.5. So, ibig sabihin, 3.5 ang sagot. No? So, nakuha na natin yung summation of x squared times p of x, which is 3.5. Okay? After that, ima-minus natin yung square ng mean. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang variance, nakuha na natin yung value nito. Ang value niya ay 3.5 minus, ano ba yung mean na nakuha natin? That is 1.5. So, ibig sabihin, i-square lang natin yung 1.5. Okay? So, sunod na gagawin, ikakalkula lang natin siya. The variance is equal to 3.5 minus 1.5 squared. So, minus natin yung square ng 1.5 sa 3.5, and that is 1.25. Therefore, the variance is 1.25. Okay, tapos na tayo sa mean, tapos na tayo sa variance. The last na kukunin natin is standard deviation. We all know that standard deviation is just the square root of the variance. So, standard deviation is equal to the square root of 1.25. And the square root of 1.25, that is equal to, okay, square root of 1.25, that is equal to 1.12. Okay, so i-round off lang natin. Okay, therefore, the standard deviation for this discrete probability distribution is 1.12. Okay? So, yan lang ang steps ng pagkuha ng mean, variance, and standard deviation of a discrete probability distribution. First step, kunin muna ang mean. Okay? So, the mean is the summation of x times p of x. Ang gagawin lang, i-multiply isa-isa, saka i-add. And you have this one. Okay? Next, pagkuha ng variance, formula muna tayo. Formula in getting the variance, that is summation of x squared times p of x minus mean squared. Okay? So, by doing that, i-assemble lang natin yung ating, i-reconstruct lang natin yung table natin ng patayo. So, we have this one. Inilista ko yung x, that is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Yung p of x, that is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Okay? So, kailangan ko magdagdag ng x squared na column. So, para magkaroon ako ng mga 0, 1, 4, 9. So, 0 squared, 0. 1 squared, 1. 2 squared, 4. 3 squared, 9. After that, na makuha ko na yung x squared, i-multiply ko siya sa p of x according dun sa formula. Okay? Pinag-multiply ko isa-isa ito. Okay? And I have this one. Since ang kailangan ko ay summation, ibig sabihin sum ng product nito. Ito yun, diba, yung product nila. Kinuha ko lang yung sum nila, that is 14 divided by 4, that is 3.5. So, ito na yung summation of x squared times p of x. Saka ko ima-minus yung square ng mean. Ito yun, diba? So, yun 1.5 squared. Ang sagot ay 1.25. Sa pagkuha naman ng standard deviation is just the square root of the variance. So, So, standard deviation is equal to square root of 1.25, and that is 1.12. Let's have the probability distribution. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The probability of each outcome is 0.20, 0.15, 0.10, 0.20, 0.25, 0.10 respectively. Now, first step, kunin muna natin yung ating mean. So, mean, that is equal to the summation of x times p of x. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin, imumultiply lang natin isa-isa, and then, i-add natin yung kanilang product. So, that is equal to mean is equal to 4 times 0.20 plus 5 times 0.15 plus 6 times 0.10 plus 7 times 0.20 plus 8 times 0.25 plus 9 times 0.10. So, by doing that, the mean 4 times 0.20, okay? So, 4 times 0.20, that is equal to 0.8 plus 5 times 0.15, okay, 5 times 0.15, that is equal to 0.75 plus 6 times 0.10, 6 times 0.10, that is equal to 0.6 plus 7 times 0.20, that is 1.4, okay, plus 8 times 0.25, that is 2, plus 9 times 0.10, that is 0.9. After that, i-add natin siya. So, we have the mean is equal to 0.8 plus 0.75 plus 0.6 plus 1.4 plus 2 plus 0.9. Okay, so that is 6.45. Let me recheck that. 0.8 plus 0.75 plus 0.6 plus 1.4 plus 2 plus 0.9. That is 6.45. So, nakuha na natin ang mean, that is 6.45. Next, kunin natin yung variance. Variance, that is equal to the summation of x squared times p of x minus mean squared. Okay? So, reassemble lang or reconstruct lang natin yung table into a vertical form. So, we have x, I have p of x, idagdag natin yung x squared, and then x squared times p of x. So, meron tayong 4 na column. Okay, so ang outcomes natin ay 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so ang probability niya bawat isa ay 0.20, 0.15, 0.10, 0.20, 0.25, and 0.10. Kunin ang square ng bawat x. 4 squared, 16, 5 squared, 25, 6 squared, 36, 7 squared, 49, 8 squared, 64, 9 squared is 81. After that, makuha natin yung square ng bawat x, imumultiply naman natin to isa-isa. So, we have 16 times 0.20. So, I have 3.2. 25 times 0.15. 25 times 0.15. that is equal to 3.75. 36 times 0.10, so I have 3.6. 49 times 0.20, so I have 9.8. If I'm going to multiply 64 by 0.25, that is equal to 16. I'm going to multiply 81 times 0.10, that is equal to 8.1. Now, nakuha na natin yung product ng x squared at saka p of x. The next step na gagawin natin, ikukunin natin yung sum niya. Okay? Yung sum. So, i-add natin to lahat. So, I have 3.2 plus 3.75 plus 3.6 plus 9.8 plus 16 plus 8.1. Okay, let me recheck. So, I have 3.2, 3.75, 3.6, 9.8, 16, and 8.1. So, the sum is 44.45. So, eto na yung sum ng x squared times p of x. So, summation of x squared times p of x is equal to 44.45. Next, pagkuha ng variance, pinakuha natin yung value ng summation of x squared times p of x, that is 44.45. Ima-minus natin yung square ng mean. Ang mean natin ay 6.45. According to here, 6.45 siya. And then, i-square natin siya. Okay, so variance is equal to, ang gagawin na lang natin, ikakalculate na lang natin siya, 44.45 minus 6.45 square. Okay, so that's equal to 2.85. So approximately 2.85. So that is the variance. Getting the standard deviation, kunin lang natin yung square root ng 2.85. Pag kinuha natin yung square root niya, meron tayong standard deviation na square root of 2.85, that is equal to 1.69. Okay, so this is the standard deviation. So I hope this will help for you. So practice lang tayo ng practice.